Hello YouTubers and welcome. Today I have this speaker. This is one of those really cheap speakers. It would have had a light in the middle here, but I removed it. This has had its speaker replaced. This has been made into a portable party speaker now. I made a new hole there, siliconed it up. Same with the speaker that I've replaced. So the original speaker had an issue. A friend gave it to me because he didn't want it because the speaker sounded awful, because it had issues. And basically, yeah, I decided to take a 4-inch Logitech subwoofer and put it in there. It works really good as an all-round speaker. I apologize for the noise you can hear in the background. My dog is squeaking his toy. So the sub that's in here is actually the sub which most of you will know of. It's actually the Logitech Z3 or Z4. I can't remember if it's Z3 or Z4 sub, which at normal power it's rated for 23 watts, max for 40 watts max power. So I've got it going off my amp, but usually I have a little Bluetooth circuit board, which was the actual circuit board that came with this. On a decent speaker, that little amp that usually pushes the wimpy 5-watt speaker that used to be in this sounded decent. It didn't sound amazing, but it sounds decent. But today I've rewired it again, so it's now going into my mini amp over there, and I'm going to be playing the same sort of copyrighted music. But anyway, without further ado, let's begin. Sorry about my shaky camera quality. I have not done this in quite a long time. Or hang on, what's going on here? For some weird reason my phone's disconnected. Right, it's now connected. Right. Max volume on my phone. Bass boost and voice is going to be on my amp. I gotta put it on top of my amp. God, the bass is now ready. There's where the volume is on my amp. There's where treble and equalizer is. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. I do have to silicone it a little bit on the one side. Okay. Wow, okay, that noise was the handle. I'm gonna get back when I feel like, you know I don't play right. Just give me the word, you know I don't play right. Don't give me this, I'm gonna get back when I feel like. But yeah, as you can see, sounds really good. Just give me the word, you know I don't play right. Don't give me this, I'm gonna get back when I feel like, you know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word, you know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. I keep having to press it to keep the light up. But as you can tell, it sounds very good. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. But yeah, as you can tell, very good little speaker. The next one I have is actually a old beer can, which I converted into a Bluetooth speaker. I'm going to be doing the same method. I'm going to be doing the same method that I did with this, where I'm going to connect it directly to this amp. So yeah, that'll be in the next video. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and goodbye.